If your vehicle is equipped with automatic temperature control, or ATC, the front 3-zone system allows both driver and front passenger seat occupant and the rear seat occupants to select individual comfort settings. Select Auto Mode operation by pushing the Auto button and a comfort temperature setting using the temperature control. The system automatically adjusts airflow temperature, airflow distribution, and airflow volume. This maintains a comfortable temperature even under changing conditions. It's easy to use. With the system on, push the Auto button on the front upper ATC panel. The word Auto will illuminate in the front ATC display. The system will then automatically regulate the amount of airflow. Next, adjust the temperature you would like the system to maintain by adjusting the driver and front passenger temperature controls. Once the desired temperature is displayed, the system will automatically maintain that comfort level. When the system is set up for your comfort level, it is not necessary to change the settings. You will experience the greatest efficiency by simply allowing the system to function automatically. The rear system control for the rear ATC system is on the front lower ATC panel located on the instrument panel. Pushing the rear lock button for the rear ATC system from the front lower ATC panel illuminates a lock symbol in the rear display. Rear second row occupants can only adjust the rear ATC control when the rear lock button is turned off. The rear ATC system is located in the headliner near the center of the vehicle. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.